2009, Nobel Peace Prize was offered to 3 researchers simultaneously, seemingly nothing to do with chiropractic, but get what it was awarded for. The effect of catecholamine, which is a Scrabble word, I'll explain it in a second, on overall health, on the aging process, the health of your genetic code, like literally down to the chromosomal level.
Okay.
How much? So what's
DNA
DNA?
Sure.
Brain research and hormonal research on how it affects the body. So what's a catecholamine? Catecholamines are neurotransmitters. It's the chemical way that nerves talk in your body, both in your brain and throughout the rest of your body. They're the messengers. And this one group of chemicals called catecholamines are a subgroup of that, but they're mostly what we call stress hormones. And they work inside the nerve system, and when the nerve system is under stress, when you're under stress, whether it's chemical stress, emotional stress, physical stress, your body
financial stress.
Financial stress, yeah. Your body can't tell the difference.
That's right.
It's all processed the same in your body. It's like if you are facing bankruptcy and foreclosure and all of this stuff, people have heart attacks, people get cancer, people get life-threatening diseases almost instantaneously because these chemicals are churning out in their body. It's devastating. So here's the beautiful thing. 2009 was, by the way, the same year that I got into functional medicine.
I was just going to say, it's probably the year you started
the functional medicine
sure.
work to actually get a better handle on all of this, how the hormones affect everything.
And you had already been teaching in chiropractic schools prior to that.
Yeah, I taught at 2 universities. So they found, here's the thing that is mind-blowing. So immediately, as soon as this Nobel Prize was awarded, people got to work on what are we going to do about these catecholamines. And some interesting research, a small but scientifically valid study, looked at PET scans. PET scan is a special kind of MRI that looks at brain in real-time function. They use a type of glucose that you can actually see on the MRI and show where the brain activity is. So when you're under stress, the metabolism of the brain function, how the brain is working, follows a very specific pathway, and it's where those catecholamines, those stress hormones, are churned out. Instead of the normal brain physiology, when it goes right up into the cortex, the thinking, the management part of the brain, so that you can fix problems, deal with stress in real time. So it's a weird thing. When you're under stress, you're a totally different person, functionally, than you are when you're not under stress. So they started looking at, what can we do about changing this pathway? What can we do about it churning out these devastating stress hormones and get it back into the functional, let's deal with this problem? They put some people in the PET scan and gave them the kind of adjustment that I do in my office, that little tap behind the ear, immediately changed the